Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Shalom, Saints. Today we made these delicious Snicker Dates. We sliced and pitted dates. We made our own peanut butter out of tahini, vanilla, agave, and a little bit of salt.
We are making chocolate day.
What are we making?
Chocolate day. Peanut butter chocolate day. For everybody. It's only for Shabbat. And then after Shabbat, we're going to do fun games. Well, they can be for tonight too. So, my name is Talia. I'm mixing up the peanut butter. Peanut butter.
We added chopped walnuts to the peanut butter mix, and then we stuffed the dates. We then dipped them in our homemade chocolate, which was cacao powder and coconut oil with a little bit of agave and vanilla extract. Then placed them in the refrigerator to cool.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.